Alright, so today we're going to be learning about electron configuration, which is the distribution of electrons to an atom's orbitals. So first off, we're going to talk about the blocks of the periodic table. So here we have the S block, and this over here is included, which is helium. This is the D block, and then this is the P block. So first off, we're going to try to find the electron configuration for fluorine. So for each block, which is an orbital, it has to have two electrons, one that's spinning up and one that's spinning down. So for this one, you're going to have an up and a down for the S block for 1s, and then you're going to have an up and a down, and so then when you get to this, which is the P block, you're going to have 3 up arrows before you can do down, because every single orbital has to be filled before you can start pairing. So here we have 1, 2, 3 up arrows, and then 1, 2 down arrows. So then this is how we're going to write this. So 1s with 2 arrows, 2s with 2 arrows, 2px, 2py, and 2pz. Because here we have 6 elements in the block 2p, which is the row. So 2 for the row, and then p for the block. So there's 6 elements in this area. So then if each one has 2, we have to have 3 different 2p's. So 2px, 2py, 2pz is how they make it more specific. So since it's not all the way over here, you're going to have this one with just an up arrow, because like I said before, everyone has to have an up before you can do a down. So then, to make it shorter and condense it, this is how you're going to write it. You're going to have 1s squared, because 1s has 2 arrows, 2s squared, because again, 2s it has 2 arrows, and then 2p to the 5th, because 2p has 5 arrows. So now, you are going to do phosphorus, which is right here.
Okay. Thank you. So, I am going to start off with the 1s, 2s, 2px, 2py, and 2pz. And here we filled in, for the third row, up and down, and then you have to go up, up, down. Ooh, I'm on the wrong wing, sorry. Up, down, down, down. And then I'm gonna write it up, down, because that's the S. And then up, down arrow. And then up, down, up, down, because we're on this first row, the second row. Now we're going to do the third row, which is 3s, 3px, 3py, and 3p2. And then we have 2 arrows here. And then you have 1 up here, 1 up here, because you have to fill in the up arrows before you can do the down arrows. And then to write it in short term is 1s squared, 2s squared, 2p to the 6th, because they're all 6 arrows, and then it's 3s squared, and then 3px to the 3rd, because there's 3 arrows left. And that is phosphorus.